This is 2022 Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line. Let's unlock it. It has very beautiful headlights, but I like the taillights even more. And this is R-Line, which is the sportier version of this car. Very nice front grille. Very nice white color. We have R badges everywhere, but not at the rear. We only have the T-Roc and the Volkswagen logo right here. Let's unlock it again. And these are the taillights, very beautiful. As it is the R-Line, the sportier version, and in the interior it really feels sportier. We'll get to there, but from the outside, if it's sportier, I want to have the real exhaust pipes, not the fake ones. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fake exhaust pipes. I don't know, guys. Tell me, guys, in the comments what do you think. But yeah, this is how this car looks. Some spoiler on the roof. Looks quite nice. Let's get inside. And we are greeted by welcome with a Volkswagen logo. Let's start it up and keep it running. So this is how it looks from the inside. But before we continue, please subscribe this channel if you like these videos. I'm trying really hard to make them. I'm trying to get better cars. So subscribe to my channel, click like, and let's continue. We also have our line logo on the steering wheel. As you can see, it is also a flat bottom, and the steering wheel feels really nice. We have all these curves. Really feels sporty and nice. Digital cluster, which can be changed by the view button on the steering wheel. It can display various information. Leather stitched door panels. Some glossy piano black trim all over the center console. Really nice heated seats. Even it's cloth, but I mean, I like this cloth. It doesn't feel cheap like other manufacturers. And we have our logo engraved in the seat as well. Classic automatic gearbox from Volkswagen. And as for 2022, this centerpiece infotainment system, at least for me, seems a little bit outdated. Even I like this car, but this piece right here, I don't know, it feels out of place. In 2022, some car manufacturers still does not do a good job. Well, in my perspective, does not do a good job in placing the middle screens in the vehicle. The infotainment system is the same as in any other Volkswagen, so we won't be reviewing it, but everything is touchscreen. Even these buttons are actually not physical buttons, they are touchscreen. The only physical buttons right here are these physical knobs, which can turn on and off. And these buttons right here are all physical, thanks God. We have the parking sensors, we have automated parking, and the car parks itself. You only need to switch gears and it does everything for you. We have the climate control, auto hold function, and the parking brake. As for the storage, we have some storage in the door panels, in the both sides. We have cup holders and the very small storage right here, and something right here, which I can see someone left. Someone was fixing something, but okay, we'll leave this here. As for the charging ports, we have a 12 volts outlet, as well as 2 Type-C USB ports in the front. And I believe we have 2 more in the back. Yes, we have 2 more Type-C ports in the back. And of course, a glove box. And that's pretty much it. The seats are really comfortable. The materials that are used here is really nice. Leather everywhere. Soft plastic. That's not even a plastic. Something that feels leathery as well. This is plastic. This is the traditional Volkswagen plastic. It doesn't feel that cheap. Overall, I rate this interior quite good. And I'm 6'5", and I feel really comfortable in this seat. Let's check the rear seats if I was sitting behind a huge person like myself. Okay, and well, that doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not a lot, but it looks better than on the most of cars. And yes, in my last video of Toyota Yaris Cross review, someone called me stupid for trying to sit in the rear when the front seat is adjusted like that. But sorry guys, this is not your normal scenario. This would happen only if the tall person was driving and another tall person has to sit behind them. So don't take this as a normal everyday test. This is very extreme example. And if someone smaller was sitting in front of me, I had way more leg space. I have a lot of head space as well. Now, another interesting feature is the rear armrest and the cup holders in it. They are adjustable, but adjustable in a way that you need to remove this plastic piece and put it in the other slot, like that. And this comes with a drawback: you can lose those plastics. And that is not a scenario that you would want to be in. If you are following my channel and you remember the Ford Focus review I did, the cup holders in the Ford Focus in the front were adjustable as well, but they were adjustable in a much better way. So yeah, now let's quickly check the trunk space. And the trunk doesn't feel that bad as well, quite spacious. It's really nice that it doesn't have a huge lip over here. So it will be really easy to put all your shopping bags and other things in the trunk. This one is not automated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's take this car for a spin. Now let's quickly try this self-parking mode. Let's turn on the parking sensors and turn on the self-parking mode. Now all we need to do is to follow instructions on the screen. The blue arrow tells me to go forward, and let's do that until it detects the spot. Now there it is, it detected the spot and it tells us to go a little bit further. Let's do that. If it thinks we want to go parallel parking, which we don't, we click this button again and now it shows the normal parking. Let's put it in reverse. And now just sit back and watch, but be ready to interfere, because I'm not trusting these systems too much yet. But so far it does a good job. It feels really weird, but okay. Now it straightens it and yep, the parking assist stopped, and we can put it in park. And let's see how it did. Alright, the car seems parked really well, and I had to do nothing, basically just sit and watch. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching this review. If you liked it, please press like, subscribe if you liked, tell me guys in the comments what you liked, disliked, and lock it up, and see you later.